Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Tesla stocks easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Tesla stocks, start by conducting thorough research. Understand Tesla's business model, recent performance, and market trends. Next, choose a reliable stock brokerage platform. Look for platforms with user-friendly interfaces and low fees. Create an account on your chosen brokerage site. Be prepared to provide identification and other personal information during registration. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your brokerage account. Check for any minimum deposit requirements. Navigate to the stock search feature on the platform. Type in Tesla or TSLA to find the stock. Review the stock's current price, market trends, and historical data. Decide how many shares of Tesla you wish to purchase. Consider your budget and long-term investment strategy. Place a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order to set a specific price. Confirm the details of your order before finalizing the transaction. After your order is executed, monitor your investment regularly. Stay updated on Tesla's performance and market news. Evaluate your investment periodically to make informed decisions. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized advice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.